besties, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're doing a come shopping with me and I'm trying something a little different. This video is mostly voiceover style, so let me know in the comments if you like it and I'll definitely do more of these. So first stop was Lowe's because I had my eyes on the viral pink bucket that's been all over my feed. This is exactly what I was looking for in Lowe's. If you guys didn't know, I'm gonna pop that TikTok up that I've seen. They have the pink buckets at Lowe's. I'm going to use it as a trash can. So cute. I made my way over to Hobby Lobby, and yes, you're going to see me here more than once in this vlog because I somehow ended up coming back 3 different times. Every time I needed something new, and of course, I always end up finding more cute things I wasn't even looking for. I always stop by the charm section because there are just so many cute ones I think about grabbing. I haven't fully planned that next part of my business adventure yet, but trust me, when I do, I will let you guys know. Also, wait a minute, since when does Hobby Lobby sell yarn? I don't remember ever seeing it here, but maybe it's new since Joann's closed. Here we are again, back at Hobby Lobby for round 2. This time I actually had a reason. I needed to restock on a few things I sold out of, like my cold cups and some of the t-shirts. Always a good sign when you're running low, but it means another trip for me. While I was here, I wandered over to the harvest section because did you guys know Hobby Lobby doesn't celebrate Halloween? Since they're a Christian brand, they focus more on autumn and Thanksgiving decor instead, which honestly explains why they're also closed on Sundays. Even though it's not spooky, I still think the harvest stuff is super cute and cozy. And yes, we're back at Hobby Lobby again. But before you judge me, all of these trips were spread out over like 2 to 3 weeks. I promise I wasn't just here back to back to back. This time it was more of a I'm bored and want to get out of the house type of shopping trip. While I was wandering around, I found the cutest little doll-sized houses and appliances. Maybe that's a hobby I'll pick up one day. One of my favorite stores, Dollar Tree, they just started putting out all the fall and Halloween stuff. So of course I had to look through the decor. I really want to give my desk a little cutie fall vibe this year, so I was on the hunt for something fun. I also needed to restock on some tissue paper. I don't normally grab it from here, but since it was on my way to the office, I figured might as well. A small business girl can never have too much tissue paper. And can we talk about their arts and crafts section? I always love looking here. They seriously have the most affordable little supplies for any project you can dream up. It's such a good place for creative inspo. Next stop was Burlington, and honestly, I rarely come in here because the last time I tried, the line was literally wrapped around the building. So I usually skip it, but this trip, totally worth it. They had so much pink and girly stuff. If I could afford it, I would take the whole store with me, literally. But you know me, I refuse to blow all my hard-earned money in one place, so I just picked up a few cute things this time. I'll definitely be back during Vlogtober though, because I feel like a full fall shopping vlog here would be so fun. If you are an OG follower, subscriber of mine, if you've watched any of my content on my personal page, then you know I absolutely love Care Bears. I seen that Burlington had this Care Bears Halloween blanket, which I did come here for, but I did not get it because it was like $30, because I would have gotten it if it was $20, but it was like $30. So I ended up getting the one that I'm currently holding in my hand, as you see in the clips. But here's some of the other cutie throw blankets that they had. I'm definitely going to come back and get some more of these because you can never have too many throw blankets. I will definitely be coming back. I should have picked up a pack of some of these towels because these are so cute. I want to add them to the Airbnb kitchen. So we will definitely be coming back. I just came out of Burlington and they had a lot of Halloween stuff, so I'm definitely gonna come back and do a Halloween shop with me vlog. But now I'm going to head over to the, oh, I got glitter on my face. Now I'm going to head over to the next door. Here's a couple of the things that I did get from Burlington. So I also picked up some things off of Canva. Canva is where I make a lot of my digital products, and I needed some more business cards and some care cards for my mystery boxes. So this should be those. So let's unbox them together. If you're unfamiliar with Canva's packaging, this is a recyclable box. I keep all paper because I can definitely reuse this paper. These should be my business cards. I just reordered them. I don't think I changed anything on them. Yeah, still my same current ones. I just needed to restock them. I probably should have did like a fall themed one, but I like this. This one definitely represents my brand so well. These should be my care cards, care postcards for my mystery boxes. I didn't order a whole lot. I think this is a 20 count or 25 count, one of those. So this is what they look like. It's just the same sticker that I was using, but in a postcard version so that you can keep it and reference it. And instead of me using a business card and doing this, this was more cost effective, and you get my business card on the back. You guys are more than welcome to use code Daisies10 at checkout if you want to. But I think these were so perfect. The orange isn't as bright as I thought it would be, but I think it'll do. I also just ordered a few more things off of Amazon, and I will show you guys that as soon as that comes in. But I need to reorganize the office a little bit, so I will catch up with you guys when that stuff comes in.